She has no hope for this watermelon. She does not think that it is ripe. But I think it might be. It was the last one on the vine. So here is the last watermelon in the watermelon patch. And the question that we have been asking is the watermelon ripe? Well, I picked this watermelon here, and I think I'm going to leave that one for Friday or later on, maybe tomorrow. Let's give it some of the tests to see if it may be ripe. So now on the bottom here, it is a little yellow. It's a little more yellow than the others. The others were more white. This is a little more yellow. And then the pong sound. Let's see. What do you think, Karen? You think it has a good pong or? Yeah. So we've given it the pong test to see how it is. The end here, it started to shrivel up, but I think it's overnight. It was a little more green, but this definitely is shriveled. And I think the tendril was shriveled as well. So here we go. Any predictions?
No, it's not right.
She has no hope for this watermelon. She does not think that it is ripe. But I think it might be. It was the last one on the vine, and it's been there for a while. So it may have a chance of being ripe. So let us now go through this process and see. Okay, good. All right, which way should I cut it? Across or down?
Whatever way you like.
Okay. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Here is the cutting of the fire. Whoa, it's tough. Oh my goodness. Giving me a little workout here. I think we're getting to see a little bit of it. Can you see a little bit of it there? It seems like there might be hope. Ta-ta!
The other one was better.
So what do you think? What is your...
I said the other one was redder.
Was redder? I wonder why, because this one was closer to the vine. Oh wow, yeah, you're right. This one was actually closer to the planting spot, so I'm surprised that it's so yellow or so pinky. All right, you want to give it a taste test? You want to try it? No? You sure? Go ahead. What is it?
It's not good.
It's no
The other one
good?
was way better.
The other one was better?
Yeah.
Oh, let me try it. She's very right. Ooh. I think this was the worst tasting of all of them. This has no taste. This does no sugar, nothing. This one definitely suffered. Oh, so we're ending off with this last watermelon that is was a failure. Oh my goodness. Well, that's the end of our watermelon tests, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this process with us. Any final words, Glamfun? You sure? Come on, give me a little statement.
Try again next year.
Say it again.
Try again next year.
Yes, we will try again next year. And any suggestions on what we should do?
Look at videos.
Yeah, we'll look at videos. So if you have any suggestions for us for next year on how we can possibly get a ripe watermelon, write it down in the comment section and let us know. Were you successful in getting ripe watermelons? And what did you do? So that's it for this season of the watermelon patch and the question, is the watermelon ripe? Well, certainly for this one, no, no, no. And if we were to rate this one, Glamfun, 0 to 5, what would it be?
A 0.
Yeah, it would be a 0. I agree. This is a 0. This doesn't even deserve a 1. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye. Look what I have for this one. Pull the watermelon out of its little secret place over here. And this is what it looks like.